Let's talk about how something you can't even see can destroy a massive company.
Take Akorn Pharmaceuticals. In early 2023, this major drug company just disappeared.
And just like that, at a single plant, more than 400 people lost their jobs. No warning.
Yeah, this wasn't some restructuring plan. It was a total liquidation. Everything gone.
Even the CEO's letter called it a shock. So you gotta ask, what on earth happened here?
Well, this wasn't sudden at all. It was a 5-year-long train wreck, really.
It all kicked off with some pretty serious allegations of fraud. They just couldn't shake off.
But what does data integrity concerns even mean, and how can it sink a whole company? Turns out the biggest threats are often the ones you can't see. We're talking microscopic contamination.
Think about it. Tiny airborne particles, totally invisible, that can completely ruin a product.
For a company like a drug manufacturer, it's a constant battle between contamination and control. And if you lose that battle, you risk your brand, your profits, and even public safety.
So, how do top companies fight back? With solutions proven to be 99.9% effective.
It's all about being proactive, stopping the junk before it even gets into the clean room.
Take flooring, for example. Modern polymeric floors are a huge leap over old peel-off mats.
And the numbers don't lie. You can cut airborne particles by up to 75%.
That's why industry leaders like GlaxoSmithKline swear by this stuff. The effect is real.
And here's what that defense looks like in the real world. Simple, but incredibly effective.
This isn't just for pharma either. Think NASA, Honda, Intel, they all need this. Which brings us full circle, back to Akorn. Their story is a huge cautionary tale.
So, what's the big takeaway? In these industries, ignoring the little things can cause a total disaster.
And it makes you wonder, what other invisible risks are being ignored right now?